friends, our today topic is labeling scales. So in this chapter we're going to label the scales. We have to find out which scales are these rhythms given here. So let's find out. Let's straight away, you can go through this first example on your own. Yes, and then we can work on the second one. Let's start this exercise. So this is our treble clef, and there are two flats as a key signature there. So two flats we know, either it could be a B flat major or it could be a G minor. Okay, so because let's write it down over here in terms of either it could be our either it could be B flat major or it could be our G minor. G minor. Okay. So now let's find out if where it's starting. So this is, you can see, starts on G note. So this is our G note, and it finishes also at G. So this is one clue that it could be a G minor. Now second clue is, let's see if there's any accidental. So you can see there's accidental here. This is our F, and this is F sharp. So that means this is confirmed that this is G minor. Now this is G natural minor, harmonic minor, or melodic minor. We have to check that. So let's write down all the notes. So G, A, B, C, D, E, E, F, and G. So you know that these are the notes of our G minor scale, where B is flat and E is flat, which continues to this because this is tie, and the seventh note was supposed to be flat, supposed to be natural, but it is raised by a semitone. So this has been raised by a semitone, become sharp. So that means this is our G harmonic minor. Okay, let's check the next one. So next one we have three flats. So three flats, either it could be our E flat major, okay, or it could be C minor. Okay, so let's check the first clue. Let's see the first starting on E and finishing on E. So this is the first clue that it is could be E flat major. The next one is, let's check down the notes here. So this is our E, F, this is G, it's A, B, C, D, and E. And there are no accidentals over here. So this is easy to find. This is our E flat major scale. And because there are no accidental as well, so we confirm this is our E flat major scale going down. Sorry, we forgot to write this thing in the first one. So this was G harmonic minor going up. Okay. Now the next one, there are three sharp as a key signature. So three sharp means either it could be our A major or it could be our F sharp minor. Okay. So now let's check the first clue. It starts on A and finishes on A here. Right? This is G and A. Now let's check if there is any accidentals here. So there are no accidentals. So that means this is easy. This one is our A major scale going up. Okay, now let's do the next one. Now this one, you can see the lot of accidentals are there, and this starts on. So we can see that there is no key signature, so there should be either C major or A minor scale, right? Now if you see this starts on C, finishes on C, so that means should be C major. But if it's C major, why there are so many accidentals there? Okay, so for that we need to check the note. So this is our C, this is B, B flat, this is A flat, G, F sharp, F, E, E flat, this is D, D flat, and C. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes. So I think this is a chromatic scale, and I think this is C major, C chromatic major scale, which is going down. So this is, so if you want to check that why is it so, let's make a small key, which I always tell you is always better to learn. So let's make this C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So we just confirm it. Now you see, if you start from going down, this is C, then B, B flat, A flat, G, then F sharp, F, E, E flat, D, D flat, and C. So this is our C chromatic major, C major chromatic scale, C chromatic major scale going down. Okay, now next one. Next, if you see these two sharps, so either it could be our D major or it could be our B minor. Okay, now if you see, let's check the first note. So this is our D, finishing on D, so most probably this is D major, and there are no accidentals in between, so this is easy. So this is our D major scale going down. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next one says labeling these scales. Here there are no key signatures, so check the accidentals instead. So we have to check the accidentals and then we have to write down the scale. Okay, there are no key signatures given here. In the above one, over here they had given the key signatures, and now they have not given the key signature, they have given the accidentals. So let's check in the first exercise. So in this one you can see, let's check the accidentals. So this is our treble clef. So this is A flat. Let's write it down here. So let's just write down the notes and then write down it. So this is our C, this is B, this is A flat, this is G, this is F, this is E flat, and here is D and C. So now we know there are two accidentals, one is A and one is E, right? So but if we, so in two accidentals, but there should be B flat, E flat, and A flat. So we have these two, we do not have this one, B flat. So that means this is missing out here. Now why this is missing? So let's find out. If this is starting from C and C finishing with the C, and if it has all three, that means it should be a C minor scale. Now in C minor, so this is the 7th degree because this is going down. So if we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7th degree. We count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this should have been flat, but I think this is raised by a semitone. So this one is raised by a semitone, so it becomes natural. That's why there is no accidental here. So that means this has been raised by a semitone. That makes it as a harmonic minor. So this is our C harmonic minor scale going down. Okay. Now next one is this one. So in this one, let's check the notes first. So this is our G and this is F sharp, then G sharp, and this is A, B, C sharp, D, E, and F sharp again. So that means we have here as F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. If there are three, that means there are three accidentals. So these three should be either A major, they should be either A major, okay, or it should be a F sharp minor. So if you see starting on F and finishing on F man, that means we are one step close that it should be F sharp minor. Now we check if there is any other accidental. There is no other accidentals except these ones. So that means we have confirmed that this is our F sharp minor scale going up. So this is our F. So if we write it down sharp as like that, F sharp minor scale going up. Okay. Now next one. So if you see with these accidental, it looks like that this is a chromatic scale. Now which one is it? So it starts from you can see F and finishes on F. So this should be something F. So let's make again a small, I think this should be, so if we go with F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and if we check, so if you know that if it's F major, in F major B is flat, right? So let's start from here. So if this is, so notes we have is F, then E flat, E, sorry F, sorry this is G, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, and then F. So now let's check here. So F, E flat, E, A flat, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, and F. So this is, we can see this E flat in this one. So this is our F major, chromatic, scale going up. Okay, now next one is alto clef. So there are two accidental. This is C, D, E, F and G. So this is F sharp and G sharp. We should have C sharp as well because the sequence goes F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So this is something key signature which has three sharps in it. So three sharps we have. So it should be either our A major or F sharp minor. Now, but only thing is, even if we see in A major we should have C sharp, but there is no C sharp here. And if F sharp minor also, there is no sharp, there is no other accidental. Now, because first of all, it cannot be F sharp minor because it is not starting on F, starting on A. So there is A. So the tricky part is if we see, if we write A major scale, there is no accidental. That means it's not A major scale. But this is the 6th and the 7th degree. So if we write the notes, let's write A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A. Now, if these two has become sharp, this is 7th and 6th and 7th degree. So if you remember, if 6th and 7th, imagine if these two are the flat, these two are raised by a semitone, that's why it's become sharps. Why I went there? Because there is no C accidental here. If it is A major or F sharp minor, there should be some clue that the C become sharp, but there is no clue over there. But these two, if we go for A minor scale, then we see there should not be any accidentals in A minor, but because the 6th and the 7th degree is raised, it became sharp. So that means this is our A melodic minor scale going up. You have to take care of this because F sharp was there, G sharp was there, but there was no C sharp in for both these, for the A for this scale and for this scale. But it was the 6th and the 7th degree which was changed. So that is why we tried for A minor, because in A minor we do not have any flats and sharps, but if we raise the 6th and the 7th degree of it, these two, then it becomes sharpened, and that's why it becomes melodic minor scale going up. Okay, now let's move to the last one. So last one we have, so there are two sharps there. One is starting on, this is our C. So this is, sorry, we're finishing on D here. So this is, so C sharp is there and this is F sharp. So that means two sharp is there, F sharp, C sharp. So this is either, it could be our D major or it could be B minor. Now starting and finishing on D, that is one clue, and there are only two sharps and there is no other accidentals here. So that means this is easy. This is our D major scale going up. Okay, and here we finish our this topic. So now I will see the next topic. If you have any questions regards to this, please let me know. Thank you so much for your support and love. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.